Hey boys and girls, welcome. Today we're going to be making a nice little boat origami. So we're going to start with a simple A4 sheet of paper. Today I have red, but it doesn't matter what color you have. You're going to fold this paper in half as perfect as you can. Match those corners and make a nice strong fold all the way through. We have our first fold there. Number 2 is just as easy. We just fold it a little bit over to the other side. Again, corner to corner, corner to corner. And we fold that paper. Big, strong fold. Now you open the paper and you can see a nice little line here. Hello, line. Now this is going to touch this. It goes down like this, almost like an airplane. And again, you make a nice big fold. Fold, 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 fold. And guess what we do here? The exact same thing. We fold it all the way down. Nice and even on both sides. Go, chop, chop. Okay, now, here's a fun part. You see this here? There's 2 of them. 1, 2. You take number 1. Number 1 is up. Zip, zip. And now we flip. This side, again, all the way up, just like the other side. The same, the same, the same. And here, you have a nice little hat. You open on the inside. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah. Now, this little hat can open just like that. You see that? We're going to take this little thing, this corner here, and fold it in. The same on this side. Whoop. And now, again, we fold it and we fold in. Now we have a big, beautiful triangle. This triangle is going to have a little opening there. See that? You take that opening. Now, it's not a triangle. Now it's a square. Got a beautiful square there. 4 sides. And this square has an open and a closed side. The open side is going up, 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 up. Corner down to corner. Whoop. Big, big fold. And flip. Again, corner to corner. There we go. Look at that. Again, it is a triangle. Now this triangle has a mouth. Rah, 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 rah. This mouth, we want to open the mouth again. Rah. Oh, square. Now, here's the tricky part. Here's the open. Here's the top. You take these 2 pieces. Right there. Chook, chook, chook. Can you do that? Chook, chook, chook. We're going to open all the way. And what do you got? Dun, 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 dun. Nice little boat. It's ready for the water. So now you can take your friends and go out and put it into the water. And didn't you know it? It actually floats. So today again, we made a beautiful little boat. I hope you can make one too. And I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one, kiddos. Bye-bye.